Alright, so we're dealing with w215, cl55, AMG, working with blower motor replacement. Haven't seen a w215 video yet, so everything's out of the way. I already changed the blower motor. Every other video, S55, cl500, they're all the same, but the problem is getting access to be able to change it. So first thing, this is probably the same as the others, but we're going to take a look. This is the carpet under the dash, under the glove box, and there's two pieces, and this is how they fit together. I removed this piece, which is closer to the engine. Removed it first, and then I was left with this carpet panel piece underneath the dashboard. It's got two holes where the 8mm bolts go in, and then it had another Phillips head screw in here, which was probably not supposed to be there. It was probably a Torx at some point, but those are what I had to remove. And the difference between a lot of what I've seen online is these three tabs right here, and they hook over the kick panel. So they're pretty deep. Let's see if we get a good shot at those. Yep, there's some fingers. They hook over the kick panel. So they go over this kick panel right here, right up in here. So they hook over this carpet. And be back with you to show you how to get those out.